One thing that characterizes the design of the Yamaha Mt-7 2022. Indeed, on the headlamp or main lights it looks quite quirky and very different when compared to the model before the facelift. This motorbike also maintains the split-seat model, aka separate for the driver's seat with the pillion seat. Even though the height distance is not too far, so it is still quite comfortable for both the rider and the pillion. Yamaha Mt-7 2022 also still uses the front suspension with a slightly long travel. This makes the posture of the motorbike to be taller and more manly on the front. It also makes the driving position more comfortable and sturdy, suitable for long-distance touring or daily driving. What's more, the motorbike holds the title of Master of Torque, namely with abundant engine torque. In terms of the features of the Yamaha Mt-7 2022, the most prominent is the use of the upside-down front suspension with a fairly large diameter. Of course, it provides excellent damping and handling. In addition, the use of dual disc brakes on the front also looks more stable, typical of big bikes in general. Here are the other Yamaha Mt-7 features. Next generation design LED projector lighting, 690cc 2-cylinder EU5 CP2 engine, bigger front disc brakes for stronger stopping power, assertive riding position, inverted LCD meter LED turn signals, latest generation tires, color, graphics and finishing. Switching to the specification section of the Yamaha Mt-7 2022, there has been no change since the November 2020 model. This motorbike is equipped with an engine capacity of 689cc, with a 2-cylinder inline configuration, DOHC, 4-valve, 4-stroke, and is also liquid-cooled. As for the performance of the Yamaha Mt-7 itself, it has a peak power of 54 kilowatts or about 73.4 PS at 8,750 revolutions per minute. For the European market, there is also a limited power version intended for the SIM A2 with a peak power of 35 kilowatts, or around 47.5868 PS only, while the peak torque itself reaches 67 Newton meters, which is achieved at 6,500 revolutions per minute. Switching to the frame, we still use the diamond frame, which is combined with upside-down front suspension and monoshock rear suspension with links. In the braking sector, it is quite capable with dual disc brakes at the front and single disc brakes at the rear. And of course, not to forget that it has been equipped with an ABS system. In terms of dimensions, the motorbike does look very tall and dashing. Even the height of the seat itself reaches 805 mm. As for the weight of the Yamaha Mt-7, it reaches 184 kilograms with a fairly large fuel tank capacity of 14 liters. Yamaha Motor Europe presents 3 color options for the 2022 model, namely Icon Blue, Tech Black, and also Cyan Storm. As for the price of the Yamaha Mt-7 2022, it is sold for £7,000 or around 137.03 million rupiah for the UK region. With a note, according to the exchange rate at the time this article was typed, where £1 is equivalent to 19,575.85 rupiah.